What's up, mobile gamers? Glad to have you back on the channel. If you're all about taking your mobile gaming to the next level without the grind, you're in the right place. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you're always up to date with the latest hacks, tricks, and easy game boosts I share every week. Today, I'll show you a super quick and simple hack method to unlock unlimited coins in Tango Live. No computer, no shady apps, and no rooting or jailbreaking. Works on both iOS and Android. Let's get started. First, make sure your Tango Live app is running the latest version. This ensures everything works smoothly and avoids unnecessary glitches. All set? Awesome. Let's move forward. Now, open your mobile browser. Safari, Chrome, whichever you like, and head to the site I've used in this video. Search for Tango Live Unlimited Coins Hack and select it when it pops up. That'll take you right to the tool we'll be using. Easy, right? Let's keep it moving. On the Hack Tools main page, look for a Inject button. Tap it and the system will begin syncing with your Tango Live account. It only takes a few seconds, so hang tight while it does its thing. Almost finished. Before the resources can be delivered, you'll need to pass a quick human verification. Usually that means downloading a free app and interacting with it briefly. Nothing complicated. If you're unsure, most of these sites include a short video or step guide to walk you through it. Once that's complete, you're ready for the final step. Now, reopen Tango Live and take a look at your resources. If you followed the steps correctly, your coins should be waiting for you right there. I tested it myself, and it worked flawlessly. And that's it. A fast, stress-free way to stack up unlimited coins in Tango Live. If this guide helped you, be sure to like the video and share it with your gaming buddies. Got stuck or have questions? Drop them in the comments. I check them regularly and I'll help you out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you're always first in line for the next tutorial or game hack. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your boosted account, and I'll see you in the next one.